Class, today's our new topic is terminating and repeated decimals. So first is terminating decimals. What is terminating decimals? If I want to divide 4 by 8, then I have to put decimal here, and if I put decimal here, then it will become 40. 8 5s are 40, remainder 0. This is your remainder. Remainder is 0. We can write 0 here also, or we can make cross here also. So class, when your quotient is in decimal form, this is your quotient, you all know. This is your quotient. When your quotient in decimals and your remainder is always 0, your quotient is in decimal and your remainder is 0, then we can call this terminating decimals. It means this fraction, what is the meaning of that? This 4 upon 8, this is a fraction, yes or no? This fraction gave you 0.5. So this decimal is called terminating decimal. Understand? So it means because of this fraction you get this decimal. So this decimal has no remainder, 0 remainder we can say, then it is called terminating decimals. Repeating decimals. Repeating decimals means, class, I give you the example 7 upon 15. This is your fraction. So now 15 7. So you all understand, we have to put, this number is smaller than this number, so we have to take decimals. So I put 0 first, decimals. $60, 10. I already put decimal here, so I can use 0 here. Again 10, decimal is here, so I can put 0 here again. So you can see, class, this is repeating now. This 10 is remainder here, again 10 is remainder here. I put 0 again, then I again use 15 6 90, again 10 is here. Means continuously your remainder is 10. So in this time you can see here this 6 is repeating continuously. You can see this 6 is repeating continuously. This process will never end. In this time, this is your remainder. It means your remainder will not become 0 in this equation. Your remainder, listen carefully, your remainder will not become 0. So class, it means this 4.666 up to so on. In this time you can see this 6 is repetitive here, yes or no? This 6 is repeating continuously. So what is the meaning of that? This 7 upon 15, now this 7 upon 15 is actually 4.666 ... up to so on. So we can write like this 4.6, and we can make a bar, a small line. We call this bar. What we call this? Bar. So this is your answer, 4.6 bar. The 6 bar means it is repetitive, it will never end. So this is called repeating decimals. Now again I take the example. So I use decimal here and I increase 0. So 33 3 ja 99. There is a decimal, so I can use 0 here. So 33 9 ja 297. So okay, 13 is remaining. Again I put 0 because of decimal. We can increase 1 0 anytime. So again 130, the same question is here again. So 3 ja 99, again 31, again 310, again 9 ja, again 297. It means this process is again, class, you can see 13 is remaining. So you can see this process 13 and 31 remainder is continuously coming. So what is the meaning of that? Its remainder is also not will become 0, and this process is repeating continuously. So this 13 upon 33 is look like 0.393939, 0.39393939 up to so on. It's endless. So how we write this? 0.39, and you can see which number is repeating here. You can see 39, 39, 39, 39. So this 39 is repeating, so we can take a bar above the 39. So what is the meaning of the bar 39? It's a repeating number. Understand? Class, new topic is vulgar fraction. What is vulgar fraction? You all know the terminating decimal and repeating decimals. So if I am talking about terminating decimal first, if I am talking about terminating decimals, you can see if I am talking about 0.14, there is no bar. Class, when you see there is no bar, what is the meaning of that? Terminating decimal, because in repeating decimal you can see bar, and if there is no bar, then what is the meaning of that? It is terminating decimals. So what is the meaning of vulgar fraction? Vulgar fraction means convert your decimal into fraction. That is called vulgar fraction. Now class, how you convert this 0.14 in fraction? For that, I told you in my previous videos also, after decimals how many digits are here? 2 digits. Understand? So it means if there are 2 digits, so multiply this by the number which contain 2 zeros, that is your 100, and divide this also by 100. So there is no change in the value. But class, there is a change in this 0.14. You can see 0.14 into 100 means, you can say 1400 upon this is your number. Understand this, upon 100. But here you can see after 2 digits there is a decimal. So after 2 digits there is a decimal. So it means 14 upon 100. So you can simplify this, 2 7 ja 14, 2 50 ja 100. So 7 upon 50 is your fraction, which we call vulgar fraction.